Hello, in this video today we will discuss about that how to find the solution of the transportation problem by using the Venn or the vowels approximation method. So now here to solve a transportation problem by using vowels approximation method, we are taking here one examples. Okay, so before going to solve this one by using the vowels approximation method, that we know that this is the transportation problem, and here we can find that there are three rows and four columns, so the number of solution will be 3 plus 4 minus 1, that is 6. And now first we have to check this is the balanced problem or the unbalanced problem. Balanced problem means that we know that these AI are the supply and these bj are the demands. So now that find the sum of the demands and sum of the supply are equal or not. That if we sum the 7 plus 9 plus 18, that will be 34. And if I sum the demand 5 plus 8 13, 20 34. So this is a balanced problem. So now let us discuss about that how to solve this one by the problem by using Vogel's approximation method. So now the Vogel by Vogel's approximation. So now the question is that how can I find the solution by using Vogel's approximation? First, that the first objective for the Vogel's approximation method or the VAM method, that is first we have to find the two minimum cost from the cost matrix. So from the every row and column. Okay, so now here if we take the from the first row, what is the minimum? 10, and the next minimum is 19. So what is the difference? That is 9. So here I write this one 7 within the bracket 9, and the next minimum is 30 and the lowest next minimum is 40. So this is 9, that is 10. Now minimum is 8 and 20, so it will be 12. Next from this one, which one is minimum? 10 and 20, so the difference is 10. This is 40 and 50, so this is 10. Next 8 and 30, 22, and this is 19 and 40, so it will be 21. So I write here just this one for sake of our problem. So now see that here find that, and the difference, sorry, find this one which is written in the bracket, this is called the penalty. This is called a penalty. So now just tell me that from here that which one is the biggest penalty. See here, we can find here the biggest penalty is 22. Okay, so that means whenever we find the biggest penalty 22, we have to approach on that particular row and column. So here we find the D2 column is the contains the maximum penalty. And now see, or now just try to find that which one is the minimum element of the set. 8. Okay, and in the 8, which one is the minimum? What is the demand? 8. And what is the supply? 8. So here we have to put here 8. So now it will be 0, and now all these columns are now exhausted. Clear? And now this 18 will now convert to 10. Okay, and the next Now this column is now exhausted. So now again we will write all those. We will write all those which are not till not exhausted. 7, 9, 10, 14, 7 and so now here now find that which one is the minimum. 10 and 19 penalty will be remain same. 40 and 60 it will be now 20. Next 20 and 40 it will be 20. Now it will be again same 10. Now it will be 50. 40 it will be 10 again remain same, and this is 21. So now find again that which one is the minimum, which one is contains the maximum penalty. That is 21 contains the maximum. Which one is the minimum in this column? 90. What is the demand? 5. Demand 5. Supply 7. So give here 5. So it will now be 0. It will now 2. So now write again for this. So now write this. This will be 2, 9, 10. This will be 14 and it will be 7. So and now see here that this one also now all this column also be now exhausted. Okay, so now find the minimum. The difference, this will be 40, this will be 20, this will be 50, this will be again 10, and this will be again 10. So now see here, what is the maximum penalty? That is 50. So now this. So in this row, which one is the minimum? 20. What is the demand? 40. Supply 10. So put here 10. 14 will be converted to 4. And this row now will be exhausted. This will be 0. So in the next, if we write here this 4, I just write here this, the only this 4 is still now not exhausted, and now we have to work on this. So again that if we go for it, so now I write the matrix in this way, just only 2 plus 2 matrix. This is 50, this is 10, this is 40, this is 60, this is 2, this is 9, and this is 7, and this is 4. This is the supply and this is the demand. And now see that what is the penalty? 40, 20, 50 and 10. So which one is the maximum? This is the 50. So in this column which one is the minimum? 10. So put here 2. This is the demand 4. Supply 2. So put here, this will be exhausted. This will be 2, and now which one is the minimum? 40 obviously. Which one is the minimum? 40. Demand 7. Supply 7. Put here 7. And this will be 0, and only there is 2 left. So now here is 2. So what will be? This will be now 2, this will be 7 and this will be so now this is the concept of the Vogel's approximation method. That is, first we have to find the maximum penalties, and then we have to go for, as usual, to choose the minimum element and spread the amount as the data and the demand is given. Now see here that if there is two minimum are same, then suppose in the first row there are two elements, that is the lowest element is 10, that if 10 is repeated two times, then we will take the penalty as the 10 minus 10 equal to 0. Okay, so now this is the main, this is a solution for finding the solution of a transportation problem by using M, or the Wallace approximation method, and the solution is of the form that is like the 5 into 19 plus 2 into 10 plus 7 into 40 plus 2 into 60 plus 8 into 8 plus 10 into 20, and sum all those and get the result. So thank you for watching.